This 1993 Mercedes-Benz 300 series is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Mercedes-Benz 300 CE 3.2L 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, power windows, power door locks, black exterior, black leather interior, black convertible top clean. Feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 1993 Mercedes-Benz 300 CE is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.